Hi, I'm Tinsley Jones, Director of Program Development for the Leadership Institute of Union Presbyterian Seminary. Each year we host the Dawe Lecture. The Dawe Lecture promotes ethical and religious understanding and is named after Dr. Donald Dawe, Professor Emeritus of Union Presbyterian Seminary. We've invited our guest presenter this year, Dr. Roger Gench, to share a little bit about your topic.
So great to be here, and I'm excited to do the Dawe Lecture. Dr. Dawe was one of my teachers, so I'm especially honored to be doing the Dawe Lecture. And so this year what I'm going to be doing is talking about the disconnect between spirituality and activism. And the way I'm going to connect them is through the Buddhist notion of mindfulness and the Christian theology of the cross, and in particular a political theology of the cross, which looks at the cross in a different angle of vision, as an exposure of the abuse of power, large and small. The Buddhist notion of mindfulness actually brings us into a centering place so that we are mindful of those abuses, large and small, in our daily lives and in the world at large, so it connects us to those places that are broken in the world. So that's the gist of what the lecture will be about. I hope you'll come and hear about it.